In front of you is my old iPhone charger cable. It is completely dilapidated and is no longer functional. I believe that this is a way too common issue due to the poor quality of the Apple charger cable itself. We spend hundreds of dollars on an iPhone to get a charger cable that is inferior in every way. No more, we believe the problem has been solved. Connekt LLC has collaborated with Swivel Technologies Incorporated to introduce to you the first and only indestructible iPhone charger cable. As you can see, you can rotate it, articulate it, and pretty much bend it in every direction. This iPhone charger cable has a US patent that's been issued and an international patent that is pending. It will be available in stores soon. However, you can purchase one now at swivelchargers.com.